Somebody's already outside. Good girl. And we're off. Head start today in the morning. It's still quite dark out. Got a lot to do today. After Hobby Lobby and the post office, I have someone coming over to give me a massage today at 10 o'clock. It's going to be like a 2-hour massage. I'm looking forward to that so desperately. Then after that, I got some cleaning to do around the house. And then we might go to the gym again and make dinner. Don't know what's for dinner yet. Read, do some crocheting, and just kind of have a relaxing day. Where we fight between going this way or this way. She's pulling, so we can't have that. Come on. No. Come on. We're gonna go this way because what a beautiful sunrise that is. Tell me how gorgeous. 6.12 miles, and we have a dog who is just losing her mind over here.